If YouTube TV isn't loading channels, whether the screen freezes, spins endlessly, or shows an error, you can fix it with a few quick steps. Here's how to get your channels working again. Start by restarting the YouTube TV app. Fully close it, not just minimize it. Reopen the app and try loading a channel again. If it still doesn't load, restart your device, whether you're using a smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or phone. Next, check your internet connection. Channels won't load on slow or unstable Wi-Fi. Move closer to your router or restart your modem. YouTube TV recommends at least 7 to 13 megabits per second for HD, 25 megabits per second for 4K. Now try switching channels. If one channel works and another doesn't, the issue may be with the broadcast or network provider. Clear the app cache to fix broken channel loading. On phones or TVs, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube TV, Clear Cache. If you're using a streaming device like Roku or Fire Stick, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh its channel database. Also check YouTube TV's membership status under Profile, Settings, Billing. If your payment failed, channels may not load. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.